everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Iris and today I'm going to share a weekend in my life. I will be unboxing a clothing haul and also some desk supplies. So I have a little upgrade on my desk setup for you and I hope you enjoyed today's video. And let's get to it. So on Friday, I held my first Study With Me live stream and I was using the 60-10 Pomodoro timer. So if you missed out on that stream, I'll link the live stream down in the description box below. On Saturday, I unboxed my MLB haul. So on the side here is the website, and I'll link the website down in the description below for those who are interested. So I did get some new clothes from their line and some accessories as well. This is the Monogram Dumbo fleece jumper. It is really warm and comfy. This is the Like Planet Overfit sweatshirt. I really like the P logo and the back logo, as well as it's kind of like a galaxy feel, and then the pink was really nice. So I got the same sweatshirt in another color. It's a blue-purple color. I also got a black hoodie. It has the Yankee logo. And then I also got another sweatshirt. This one's in white and the back has a gradation logo. This is a black cardigan with the Yankee logo once again. I really like this cardigan. It's comfortable, casual, and stylish. I also got 3 t-shirts from their summer sale. So one is a black Yankee t-shirt, one is a gray Yankee t-shirt, and then a purple lavender LA t-shirt. Let me know down in the comments below if you would be interested in what I wear in a week vlog, and I'll just wear clothes and accessories from this MLB haul. So these are called the Play Mules and they are very popular on their website. This is the Monogram blue jacquard bucket hat with the Yankee logo. This is the Monogram jacquard hobo bag that I purchased to match the bucket hat. So from my packages, I also received my Keychron K2 version 2 Hotswappable keyboard. So the top includes the instructions. And here is the keyboard in its original packaging. And it comes with the cable and other accessories to undo the keys. And the keyboard has 2 height adjustments. Since I started grad school in 2019, I've been using the Apple Magic Keyboard. I did some research online and decided to change my keyboard because it was quite low and flat, so it was difficult to type on and I was having a lot of wrist pain while using that keyboard. So I chose the Keychron K2, and here is me setting up the keyboard with the instructions. So the Keychron K2 comes with Mac OS or a Windows switch, and you use that accordingly, and there's also a Bluetooth switch. To connect to Bluetooth, you press function and 1 for 4 seconds. I also decided to get a desk pad to organize my keyboard, trackpad, and my wrist rest. So this is the Satechi Eco Leather Desk Mate, and I got this off Amazon. One of my favorite features on the Keychron is the RGB, so you use function and the light bulb button to turn it on. And then if you want to change the lighting effects, you can press on the light bulb button multiple times. As you can see, there are a variety of lighting effects that will suit your preference. You can also change the RGB color with the function and direction arrow buttons. So the light bulb button will change the lighting effects, and then the function and arrow buttons will change the color. So you can have multiple combinations of lighting effects and colors. Here is the finished product on my desk. So for dinner, we made drumsticks. And steamed veggies. On Sunday afternoon, I made a quick lunch. I made egg fried rice with sardines. My Dyson air purifier was due for a filter change.
Baby, I've been going nowhere lately. It's time to start all over and go for it. 'Cause they don't even know me yet. That's something I don't regret. Every night I close my eyes and see only lavender dreams, baby. What can I do when a million things are running through? Million things I can't undo. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. That's all I got. What can I say with a million things I can't erase? Million people I can't save. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. Don't wanna wake up.
I then went downstairs to do the dishes.
Open door. But you know what to say to keep me here. Feelings always left unheard. I'm hanging on your words that aren't sincere. Trapped by reality, freed by my imagination. The sky is my remedy, but with you there's always a ceiling. No reason to stay, but
I hope you enjoyed today's video. Leave a comment down below on what you thought about my clothing haul and my keyboard or my desk pad, and if you would be interested if I started to do Write With Me live streams, because right now I am in the process of writing my thesis proposal for grad school. So it'll be nice to kind of gather college and grad students together and just have a good writing session. So let me know in the comments if you're interested in that. And remember to subscribe, like, and turn on post notifications, and I'll see you next time. Bye!